First of all of you to welcome to the Noise series organized by Postgraduate Teaching Department of English. And today is the 11th session on the topic of why English is important for students and career. Today's invited speaker is Swapnil Dhumne, Assistant Professor, Department of English from Shivaji Mahavidyalaya. Uh, First of all, I welcome to Swapnil sir. Again, today's we have among us another subject expert, Swapnil Dhumne sir, assistant professor from Shivaji Mahavidyalaya, Gadchiroli. He has published several research papers in national and international conference and teaching from since 4 years. Uh, Welcome, Swapnil sir, and from to the behalf of Postgraduate Teaching Department of English, and I hand over this session to Swapnil Dhumni sir.
Thank you very much, Masram sir. Thank you all organizing team. So, to celebrate Dasha Mahotsav of Guru University, virtually, Postgraduate Department of English, Guru University virtually has been organizing No Age series. So, I would like to first of all to share my PPT and a by through PPT. I would like to tell you my lecture. Okay. So, Basram sir, just show some on my PPT. If you're able to present, Basram sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, it is visible.
Gaurav sir, kindly mute yourself.
Hello, my dear participants. We are gathering here to celebrate Dashamahotsav in Guruvayur Gadchiroli, and here Department of English has been organizing No A series for students. So this is the 11th session, and this date, 25th September 2021, here is another sessions on another topic, and you learn something about English and the importance of English language. So let me see in a detailed way. Just 1 minute. Sir, next slide. Uh, so this is not my slide. Another slide is before this one. Okay. So before this, another slide. This is a video. Yes. Sir, if this chat box is open here. Hello.
Sir, you continue your lecture. The technical issue, I can't play video from here. You continue. I share this slide to all.
So okay. Uh, dear students, so today I select one topic for this noise series, that why English is important for students and career. Means what was the reason behind this? This important, it's very much important for us, and how we improve career in the field of English language and literatures. So I ask students Just see the picture. So what it indicates in here. So I think everybody else see the picture about my slide. The participants, can you give me answer? Are you able to see this picture? Hello?
Sir, continue your session.
Yes. Oh, okay.
Well, most of student is on YouTube.
Okay. Look at the first pictures. English opens doors for you. English opens doors for you. So if you're able to speak English, if you're able to read English, if you're able to comprehend English, then some doors opens for you. It means that we learn English from our sixth standards. Also, we learn English college, we learn English university. Till date, we could not speak English fluently. But if we try to communicate in English, definitely we get a good job. So these pictures indicates that if we have a command over English, definitely we improved ourselves. Look at the second picture. Here one person's showing there's some hand to others, and basically these pictures uh, from the street area. It maybe happened that he went to somewhere, basically foreign countries. He's showing their hands. He calls to somebody else to wait something else. To wait. I would like to go somewhere else to wait, like that. He calls to somebody else. But what happened with them? If he knows English, if he knows English little bit, definitely he gets something from foreigners. Okay. जर या व्यक्तीला जर हा व्यक्ती फॉरेनचा असेल, if he is Indian and he going to foreign countries, okay, to learn something, to study abroad, that moment, if he asked to wait, if he says to wait somebody else, if you're able to speak English, definitely somebody will be stopped there. Somebody should be stopped and take a seat to them. But if you don't know English, definitely something critical conditions will happen with them. So let me see detailed informations why I put these pictures in front of the title. Okay, these two pictures indicates that why English is important for students, how English language opens the doors for you, and why the English is important for career aspect. Okay, so let me see this detailed way. Sham sir, next slide. Look at here. I am going through in a detailed way. Here's my first point, second point, third point. Okay. I think am I audible clearly? I'm not visible due to some network issues.
Yes, sir. No issue with that.
Okay, this slide I'm going to telling you something about the importance of English. Why English is important for us? Okay. Today also we think that we have a very little bad relationship with the English language. Today we have a very little bad relationship with the English language. Why? Can anybody tell? Hello? आपलं इंग्लिशच्या लँग्वेजची एक एक गूढ रहस्यवादी नातं का बरं आहे? Why the English is so essential in nowadays education system? Why we have to speak, we have to learn, we have to understand, we have to comprehend in a fluent way? Why this happened? It may be possible that British ruled in India in the 19th century. 19व्या शतकामध्ये ब्रिटिश लोक आले, त्यांनी या ठिकाणी इंग्लिशचं एम्पॉवर एस्टॅब्लिश केलं. ओके, they install some rules and regulations regarding English language, regarding English, because British people, the major thing is that British people thought that Indians is not only poor, but also they are inferior, they are slave, okay, they are tribal. So that's why they have a duty to improve them. They have a duty to well culture them. Okay, so such kind of thoughts they created in their mind. त्यावेळेस जे ब्रिटिश एम्पॉवर आहे, जे ब्रिटिश हाय ऑथॉरिटी आहे, ती विचार करत होते का या ठिकाणची भारतातली जनता आहे हे रानटी आहे, सुसंस्कृत नाही आहे, वेल कल्चर्ड नाही आहे, त्यांचं नॉलेज थोडं कुठतरी अपुरं आहे. तर if we make cultures, if we make improve something, definitely they will be able to make contact with international level. जर आपण या लोकांना, येथील विद्यार्थ्यांना जर व्यवस्थित ज्ञान दिलं, वेल कल्चर बनवलं, त्यांना त्या मीन्स ट्रायबल टू ऍडव्हान्स लेवल ऑफ नॉलेज जर त्याने केलं, आपण त्याला ऍडव्हान्स केलं, सुसंस्कृत केलं, डेफिनेटली या ठिकाणचे लोक आहेत, या ठिकाणचे जो विद्यार्थी आहे ते डेफिनेटली एक दिवस हे फॉरेन कल्चरची, फॉरेन एज्युकेशन, विदेशातलं एज्युकेशन हे व्यवस्थित शिकू शकतील. इफ दे आर एबल टू इंटरॅक्ट विथ फॉरेन कल्चर्स, इफ दे आर एबल टू participate, understand English language, okay, definitely improve. Such kind of thought they have in that moment. Okay, so nowadays also we see that most of the offices, most of the education system are based on English curriculum. Nowadays we see not in a Gurma University, not in the basically in the Vidarbha regions, but if you go to the other state, you will see that most of the offices, most of the royal offices, main offices, basically the government offices, they have their some system. Okay, if we go to the Bombay, if you go to the Mumbai or Mumbai University or anywhere institute in Mumbai region, you will see that there, if you enter that institute, if we enter that office, if you knock that door of that institute, you have to interact with the watchman in English language. Okay, means जर तुम्हाला मुंबईच्या एखाद्या चांगल्या ऍडव्हान्स इन्स्टिट्यूट जायचं असेल, तर तुम्हाला तिथल्या वॉचमॅनशी तुम्हाला इंग्लिशमध्ये कन्वर्ट करणं आवश्यक असतं. Why? Because they gave the first priority to English language. Okay, it start when enter there, some clerks, some principals, some higher authorities, some administrative fields members would like to speak with you in English. So it shows the picture that English became a curriculum part. Most of the offices and most of the education systems is going through the English way, English medium way. Okay. Okay. So nowadays, English has become a globally spoken language. Next slide. Shyam sir. Hello.
Sir, sir, next slide is visible.
Okay. Dear participants, can you able to see this picture? Please give me response because I'm not visual and I'm not saying to you. असं होत आहे की मी तुम्हाला बघू पण शकत नाहीये. So please give a response for my lecture. ह्या pictures ती बघत का? Hello, participants. Hello.
Which picture you are talking about, Dhomne sir? Because we have a video slide over here.
Why English is important? That picture.
This one, slide number 5.
Yes, sir, slide number 5. So please, sir, still continue your lecture because most of students join through YouTube and they ask only questions in last.
Okay. Look at here. Why English is important? This slide indicates something, some brief information about the person's criteria about English, the importance of English language. Look at there, the slide. The British Council, most understood language in the world. Most understood language in the world. जगामध्ये ही जी भाषा आहे सर्वात जास्त समजल्या गेली आहे. Okay, most understood language in the world. Most of the peoples from all over the nations understood English language well. So his claims by the British Council. The British Council, basically the British Council from England, London. Okay, it was established in 1934. So it has specializing about international culture and educational opportunities. Okay, it claims that this council claims that the 25% of the world's populations has some understanding of English. The British Council claims that 25% of the world's populations has some understanding of English. Okay, means most of the people in the world understand English language. Basically, 25% people understand English language well. Then another ratio is that another point here indicate that most common languages used on the internet. Most common language used on the internet. You know here that recent scenario. This is a phase of COVID. It's a pandemic age. It's a pandemic age. I mean, since 2 years. Okay, this is a pandemic stage, and this pandemic stage, it is very difficult to take an offline class, and generally, most of the professors, most of the teachers take a class online, means in a virtual way. So, if he knows English well, also, I hope that here most of the participants from Goonwa University, they know here that in today's scenario, our examination system is going on in a virtual mode. It means that you have to know the internet language. You have to know internet, and you something know about that. Most of the internet language is scripted only English language. This picture says that according to Statista, at January 2020, English was the most popular language online, representing 25.9% of worldwide internet users. It means that the Statista Basically, Statista provide daily infographics. Basically, Statista provides a daily infographics. So, with daily updates, it provides daily updates for us. And here, Statista says there that basically January 2020, here Statista refers that we see the worldwide 25.9% students use English language in the online mode. Means most of the people use internet. You know that जर तुला माहित असेल की आजच्या काळात सुद्धा आपण जेव्हा छोटे छोटे लहान मुलं बघतो बेसिकली दोज वन कॉन्व्हेंट नॉट ओनली कॉन्व्हेंट जे लहान मुलं असतात आफ्टर 30 आफ्टर 3 years okay 3 to 20 or 30 years. So most of the child, most of the adult persons, most of the students use internet while playing some games, okay, while playing some cartoon channels, while playing some music like that. That's the moment they use internet. Before 10 years, the percentage is very less, but now in the 25.9% of worldwide we see some users. Okay. So again, the one thing is that the English is important. Why? Because this is a major language. This is a major language of higher educations. You know that now in the days, we know here that there is no one single university in our India to get the ranking in 100 list by the QS World University Ranking. तुम्हाला माहित असेल का या जगामध्ये 100 असे युनिव्हर्सिटीज आहेत त्या युनिव्हर्सिटीमध्ये भारतातली एकही युनिव्हर्सिटी नंबर लागलेला नाही आहे. ठीक probably we say that 250 numbers about the Delhi University. Okay, the QS World University Ranking, the QS means the QS World University Ranking indicates that the top world level universities. Okay, QS indicates that Quakerly Siemens. It's a global ranking systems. Okay, there are some rankings systems like the ARWU like that system, but the world recognized the best ranking system is that QS. Okay, so according the QS World University Ranking, there are some top 100 universities. Like the first universities that Massachusetts Institute of Technology. The first ranking university is that Massachusetts Institute of Technology, means MIT, and it was located in the United States of America. Second, that University of Oxford, that in the United Kingdom, means England, and third one is that Stanford University. So why I'm telling you, या ठिकाणी मी तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी त्या टॉप 100 युनिव्हर्सिटी रिलेटेड 3 टॉप लेवलच्या युनिव्हर्सिटीचं नाव काबर सांगतोय. काबर तुम्हाला माहित पाहिजे त्या QS वर्ल्ड रँकिंग हे काय असतं बा. व्हॉट इज मीन ऑफ QS? ओके, व्हाय? The thing is that in that top university rankings, in that best universities, their education system, the most of the knowledge they provide only primarily in English language. जे आपण बघतो आहोत जे टॉप 100 युनिव्हर्सिटीज आहेत त्या जगामध्ये त्या टॉप 100 युनिव्हर्सिटीज मध्ये आपल्याला मॅक्झिमम जो लँग्वेज मॅक्झिमम जे इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोव्हाइड केलं जातं दॅट ओनली English language. So that's the main reason that English is very much important for student perspective, because this is the most understood language in the world. Also, most common languages used on the internet. And the major thing is that as a university students, we should know that nowadays English is very much important, because to improve our standards, if you improve our standards, definitely it will be possible that our university standards may be improved well. So, next slide, Ashraf sir.
So slide number 6 is visible.
Sir, is this visible? That's my title. Why English is important for students.
Yes, sir.
Since starting your study, I'm always saying here that why importance English, why English is important for students. विद्यार्थ्यांना English हे महत्वाचं काय का बरं वाटतोय? Look at this slide carefully. I'm just highlighting some few words there. You know why? As a students, we always think that we have to fluent in English. एक विद्यार्थी म्हणून विचार करतो की मला इंग्लिश शिकायचं आहे, मला इंग्लिश बोलायचं आहे, मला इंग्लिश उत्तरे मला व्यवस्थित वाचता आलं पाहिजे. सो वी ऑलवेज ट्राय दॅट वी हॅव टू बी फ्लुएंट इन इंग्लिश. बट व्हॉट हॅपन, वी कुड नॉट नो इन अ लॉजिकल रिझनेबल रिझन्स. आपण का बरं इंग्लिश व्यवस्थित बोलायला पाहिजे, व्यवस्थित शिकायला पाहिजे, व्यवस्थित वाचायला पाहिजे, याचं लॉजिकल आणि रिझनेबल रिझन आपल्याला कळत नाही. सो दॅट that statement our life always ends after situations हे नेहमी अशा प्रकारे ends होते. It will help you in the future, right? So it means that आपल्याला या ठिकाणी एक कारण समजतं की नक्कीच ही लँग्वेज न तरी आपल्याला एक जॉब प्लेसमेंट देईल, कुठतरी ही लँग्वेज जी आहे आपल्याला भविष्यात कुठतरी व्यवस्थित मदत करेल. यासाठी आपण इंग्लिश शिकायचा प्रयत्न करतो किंवा इंग्लिशला थोडं बहुत तरी कॉम्प्रिहेंड करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. ओके, इज इट राईट? सो somehow some reasons, luckily we elaborate some of the informations. Somehow we improve our vocabulary, we see some grammar. Okay, we see some movies, English movies. So by this way we try to improve our language, try to command our language and try to learn the language skills. Okay, so काही कारणास्तव ना आपण इंग्लिश शिकायला काही बोलायला लागतो. बट व्हॉट वॉज द बेसिक रिझन बिहाइंड दिस? वी हॅव टू बी फ्लुएंट इन इंग्लिश. सर, नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Is this visible? My point.
Do you want next slide?
Education system. This point is visible, sir. There.
Yes, sir, visible. This will continue.
Okay. So I have collected some points. This definitely indicates you the importance of English for a student perspective, and how we improve our career in the field of this language, in the field of language literatures, or also you know that English is compulsory in everywhere. English is compulsory language in everywhere. Not only BCom, not only BA, not only BSc, but most of the faculties, there is one single subject should be in English. Okay, look at here. The whole education system in today's generations, the whole education system is going through an English language. Okay, so the best of our education system is based upon the English language. The best of our education system is based upon the English language. So to deal with that, it's quite sensible to learn the English language along with your mother tongue. So I earlier said you, nowadays in recent scenario, we see that most of the education system is based upon the English language. That's the main reason that we have to understand language along with our mother tongue. आपल्याला आपल्या जी मराठी भाषा आहे त्या मराठी भाषेसोबतच आपल्याला इंग्लिश शिकता येणं गरजेचं आहे. वाय? बिकॉज ऑफ अवर रिसेंट एज्युकेशन सिस्टीम. ओके, थिंक अबाउट मेडिकल सायन्स फील्ड, थिंक अबाउट इंजिनिअरिंग फील्ड, think about also BA, also MA, also MSc. I'm not saying about this university background. मी फक्त या विद्यापीठा कन्सल्टंट बोलत नाहीये. आपण जर अदर स्टेटला गेलो, बेसिकली आपण जर पुण्याला गेलो तर तिथला बीए बघा, पुण्याचा बीए बघा, किंवा दुसऱ्या कॉलेजचं बीए इन मराठी, बीए इन हिस्ट्री, लाईक दॅट. ऑल्सो if you see the JNU University in Delhi, in history professor, in history students should be know English very well. So I firmly say that, is this possible for you to learn English simultaneously in your mother tongue? Possible आहे का मराठी लँग्वेज सोबत आपण इंग्लिश व्यवस्थित शिकायला पाहिजे? How is it possible for you? मराठी भाषेसोबत इंग्लिश आपण कसं लर्न करू शकतो, कसं व्यवस्थित बोलू शकतो, किंवा कशा प्रकारे आपण ते जे इंग्लिश लँग्वेज आहे व्यवस्थित शिकू शकतो? आय एम गिव्ह यू बेस्ट टिप फॉर यू माय डिअर स्टुडंट्स. आय वुड लाईक टू गिव्ह यू बेस्ट ट्रिक्स फॉर यू अबाउट हाऊ वी शुड स्पीक इन इंग्लिश वेल. बेसिकली आपल्याला जर इंग्लिश बोलायचं असेल तर आपण काय करतो, आपण कुठेतरी अकॅडमी जॉईन करतो. Most of the academy in Nagpur also, त्या ठिकाणी काही कोचिंग सेंटर आहेत. फॉर एक्झाम्पल ऑक्सफर्ड सेंटर इन Nagpur. Also, somebody says to you that you should read newspapers, you should read English newspapers. Definitely, you're able to speak in English. Okay. Or somebody says to you that if you see some movies, English movies, simultaneously in Marathi, definitely you speak in English. पण यावेळी तुम्ही इंग्लिश शिकू शकता का? Participant, can you give me answer? If you attend some online courses about English spoken classes, if you attend some coaching center, if you read some newspapers minutely, if you see some English movies, so is this possible for you to speak English, to learn English, to comprehend English well? If there's yes, so okay. But I'm telling you one trick. जर तुम्हाला इंग्लिश खरंच वाटतं तर मला इंग्लिश बोलताना पाहिजे बा, सगळ्यात बेस्ट ट्रिक तुम्हाला सांगतो आज या ठिकाणी मी. Try to make atmosphere in front of you. तुमच्या समोर असं ऍटमॉस्फिअर तयार करा की ज्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही इंग्लिश बोललंच पाहिजे. ओके, इट्स नॉट डिपेंड ऑन ग्रामर. ओके, डोंट बी थिंक अबाउट ग्रामर. व्याकरणाचा अजिबात विचार करायचा नाही. जर व्याकरणाचा विचार केलं तर तुम्ही इंग्लिश शिकू शकत नाही. ओके, द ग्रामर इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर इंग्लिश. द ग्रामर इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर टू लर्न इंग्लिश, बट नॉट अ स्पीकिंग. सो जस्ट ट्राय to one or two or three statements to communicate with your friends. आपल्या मित्रासोबत थोडं बहुत तरी का होणार इंग्लिश बोला. चुकली बोलली चालतं. ओके, बिकॉज यू नो वेल दॅट माय फ्रेंड्स ऑल्सो डोंट नो इंग्लिश वेल. तुम्हाला माहिती असतं माझा मित्र सुद्धा इंग्लिश प्रॉपरली येत नाही. ओके, तू पण बोलू शकत नाही. सो त्या बोलण्यातून काय होईल, तुम्ही एक ऍटमॉस्फिअर सर्क्युलेट करता. असं एक प्रॉपर टाइम ठरवा. जस्ट यू मेक अ प्रॉपर टाइम. Just to take a proper time. In the proper time, you have to speak English only English. You have to speak with your friends, with your relatives in only English language. Or try to make your some atmosphere in your home also. Okay. जेव्हा तुम्ही आपल्या बहिणीशी किंवा भावाशी बोलता, फक्त 1 तास असं ठेवा की मला या ठिकाणी इंग्लिश बोलायचं आहे. आणि जेव्हा तुम्ही याचा प्रयत्न कराल त्यावेळेस काय करायचं, डे बाय डे तुम्ही इम्प्रूव्ह करा की मी एक्झॅक्टली कुठे शकताय. whenever I just communicate with your friends, just you communicate with your friends, you communicate with your relatives. In that moment, just see there that how my statement will be improved, how my dialogue will be improved, and just check out that moment. Okay, असं जर केलं तर डेफिनेटली तुम्ही इंग्लिश व्यवस्थित बोलू शकाल, व्यवस्थित तुम्ही कॉम्प्रिहेंड करू शकता. ओके, So this is a rapid changing world. In this rapid changing world, you have to be steer. Okay. Nobody likes to left behind. Nobody likes to be left behind. And in this rapidly changing world, where everyone is trying to steer to the heights, you don't want to be stuck in figuring out what this sentence means or what the hell is that news anchor saying. So, in this changing world, nobody would like to think about that. I would have left behind. असं कोणाचं वाटणार नाही का मला मागे राहावंसं वाटतं, मला मागे राहावंसं वाटतं, मला चालतं जरी मला इंग्लिश नाही आली तरी चालतं बा, असं कोणाच वाटणार नाही. बिकॉज दिस इज द कॉम्पिटेटिव्ह इरा, दिस इज द कॉम्पिटेटिव्ह इरा अँड यू हॅव टू नो at least 3 language nowadays. So this is a competitive era. So maybe possible that if you face some interviews nowadays, you know well that in here every students try to get job in a police field, try to get job in a nursing field like that. They know here that if they pass exams, definitely the interview may be in some regional language. त्यांना माहित असतं जर मला एखादी पोलीस किंवा क्लर्कची पोस्ट मला अप्लाय करायचं असेल तर नर्सिंग फील्डचं, तर इंग्लिश मध्ये पास केलं ना, इंग्लिश लँग्वेज पास केलं तर चालतं. काय जरूरत नाही आहे की मला इंग्लिश मध्ये मला इंटरव्ह्यू फेस करायला लागेल. बट माय फ्रेंड्स, it may be possible that in future generations, future system, maybe conduct English interview. You see some interviews in UPSC level, you will see some interviews in a top institute. They would have to take interviews in only English language. जर तुम्ही मुंबईला जॉब करणार तर त्या ठिकाणी एक साधी क्लर्कची पोस्ट तुम्हाला हायर करायची असेल तर तुम्हाला इंग्लिशचं नॉलेज कंपल्सरी करतं. जर तुम्हाला ऍज अ assistant professor, you would like to get a job at Mumbai University, so you have to know English well. कारण तिथला इंटरव्ह्यू हा फक्त इंग्लिश मध्येच होता, जरी तो स्टुडंट हा इतिहासचा किंवा मराठीत असला तरी. So this is the importance of English. If you see some anchor in front of you, जर तुम्ही एखादा अँकर बघितलं तुमच्या समोर, जर टीव्ही सुरू आहे त्या टीव्हीवर तुम्ही अँकर बघितलं, तो अँकर हा इंग्लिश मध्ये बोलतो आहे. ओके. Sometimes their words could not understand too well. If you see some interviews in English, if you see anchor in English, when some news channels is going on, that moment that anchor speaking in English. जेव्हा आपण एखादी इंग्लिश न्यूज चॅनल बघतो तर आपल्याला दिसून येतं का तिथला जो अँकर आहे हा इंग्लिश मध्ये बोलतो. ओके. आणि ते इंग्लिश लँग्वेज आपण कॉम्प्रिहेंड करण्याचा थोडा अंडरस्टँड करण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. यू नो बीसीसी न्यूज चॅनल, यू नो माय डियर पार्टिसिपेंट्स, यू नो बीसीसी. Hello.
Sir, you are audible. Go ahead.
Okay. So there are some news channels on our TV that provides authentic informations to the world. काय असे न्यूज चॅनल असतात तर ते न्यूज चॅनल्स आपल्याला एक ऑथेंटिक इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोव्हाइड करतो. Basically, let me see about this pandemic stages. Most of the people knows how to face the pandemic. आपला maximum information provide केलं आहे न्यूज चॅनल्सनी, मीडियाने, about how we should face, how we should to save our life during this pandemic stages. या कोविडच्या पॅन्डेमिक एज मध्ये आपण स्वतःचं आयुष्य कसं वाचवलं पाहिजे यासाठी मीडियानं मॅक्झिमम रोल प्ले केला. बेसिकली यू शुड नो that channel Basically, we should know that channels which provides you authentic information about the current situations. So if you know the world news channels, British like US, so that moment also you should know the English. Then it will be possible for you that to know the current affairs in a world ratios, world knowledge. So next, so this slide was visual.
Sir, yes, sir.
Which slide, sir?
The
Uh,
slide number 10. 10 is visible. You still continue.
a good presentations. That slide.
Uh, yes, sir. This slide is visible to all.
Okay, dear friends, if you see pencil box, if you see pencil box, you will see that there are some cravings. जेव्हा तुम्ही पेन्सिल बॉक्स बघतो, जेव्हा तुम्ही आजच्या काळामध्ये पेन्सिल बॉक्स बघतो, त्या ठिकाणी काहीतरी कार्विंग केलं असतं, काहीतरी रेखाटलं असतं त्या ठिकाणी. And that skit is also in English. Okay, it means that in today's picture, in today's situations, if we see only pencil box, if we see textbook, there is a scripted writing in only English. जर आजच्या काळामध्ये आपल्याला एखादा पेन्सिल बॉक्स जर बघत असेल किंवा एखादं टेक्स्टबुक बघायचं असेल, तर त्या पेन्सिल बॉक्सवर, त्या टेक्स्टबुकवर तुम्हाला कुठतरी इंग्लिश स्क्रिप्टिंग हे दिसून येतं. Why? So if you would like to see what is there in a pencil box, what it indicates about the pencil box, if you would like to understand what is inside in pencil box, what is inside in pencil box, what is inside in textbook, then definitely you have to be judged, you have to analyze that scripted writing, and that scripted writing is put in a mode of English language. So that's the main reason in today's scenario, this is a very much important to improve our basic to fluent reading rate in this language. Okay, means हे एक उदाहरण आहे पेन्सिल बॉक्स आणि टेक्स्ट बुक्स. करतं की आपला जो रिडिंग रेट आहे तो आपण कुठेतरी इम्प्रूव्ह व्हायला पाहिजे. Whenever you read some English, whenever you read some English textbooks, English scripted writing, then you have to comprehend something little about information about that instrument or thing. Look at here. The another point is that a good presentations. A good presentations. Dear friends, can you tell me nowadays whose lecture is the best? Whose lecture is the best? Which lecture is the best? आजच्या काळामध्ये ऑनलाईन टीचिंग आहे, व्हर्च्युअल टीचिंग आहे. त्या व्हर्च्युअल टीचिंग मध्ये जेव्हा आपण बघतो आहोत, आपल्याला कुठेतरी झूम प्लॅटफॉर्म जे LMS मोड आहेत, झूम, क्लाउड मीट, गुगल मीट, लिप्सी और मायक्रोसॉफ्ट टीम्स, यामध्ये काही लेक्चर्स डिलिव्हर होतात. ओके, मोस्ट ऑफ प्रोफेसर और टीचर्स are delivering the lectures through that LMS mode. Okay, so tell me which lecture is the best? That presentation mode or that only communications, means there is no presentations, there is no slide presentations, there is no PPT presentations. मला सांगा आजच्या काळामध्ये PPT प्रेझेंटेशन हा कुठतरी बेस्टवर आहे का डायरेक्ट कम्युनिकेशन बेस्टवर आहे? Can you tell me? So, in my opinions, if we're able to generate our ideas, if we're able to deliver our ideas, deliver our informations by through presentations, by through PPT, by through showing some pictures, by through showing some videos, definitely it will improve our lectures and it will improve the students' comprehend power. Look at here, my next point, a good presentations. Just give me 1 minute. So everybody likes and appreciates a good presentations. प्रत्येकाला असं वाटतं की काहीतरी चांगलं प्रेझेंटेशन व्हायला हवं. Okay. So if you are ever going to present something in an educational institute, a book club, or literary anywhere with a higher literary rate, you might want to go in with an English. So as a student, if you would like to present yourself, if you would like to give a seminar in higher education institute or a book club or literary anywhere with a higher literacy rate, definitely you might want to go in with English language. जर तुम्हाला एखाद्या टॉपच्या इन्स्टिट्यूट मध्ये तुम्हाला एखादा सेमिनार द्यायचा असेल, एखादा लेक्चर द्यायचा असेल, तर तुम्हाला इंग्लिश मध्ये तरी रिप्रेझेंट करावा लागतो आहे. So next slide. Look at your friends. Basically,
Is this the slide that you wish me to play?
so that
Slide number is that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
just look at this, friends. This slide. What I'm saying to you about this slide, I'm not going to in a detailed way because we have very less time. So by this slide, by these informations, I would like to tell you some brief idea what I would like to say to you. Look at here. If you go to somewhere else to study, if you go to study abroad, if you go to study in other states like Kerala, you know will that, and there you will see most of the students knows English, knows only their mother tongue language, their native language, and English language, because English is a secondary language in our nations. Okay. In these situations, you make some friends. You have to make some friends. You have to know some people. Okay, you have to be live there in that state. You have to be live there because you have to be study. You have to learn something because you went there by to learn something. Okay, by coaching. Okay, so when you go to another states, when you go to abroad to learn something, you saw there that there are some people, there are some local shops, some of the education systems, then some of the your friends, okay, some of your students, there are some students to know their only their native language, and another language is that only English language, and you know well that you know only Marathi language and very little about English language, or maybe some other students don't understand English proper way, or they don't know how to communicate English carefully. Okay, so what happened with you in that case? If you suffer some problem there, जर तुम्ही एखादा प्रॉब्लेम त्याने फेस केलं, तर तुम्हाला काही गोष्टी तिथे जे काही गेस्ट लेक्चर असतात, जे लेक्चर्स असतात, त्या लेक्चर्सचं तुम्हाला काही इन्फॉर्मेशन समजलंच नाही, आणि तुमचे सगळे जे कलेक्टिव्ह आहेत किंवा फ्रेंड्स आहेत ते सगळे कुठे आहेत, त्यांना फक्त ती लँग्वेज समजते, नेटिव्ह लँग्वेज समजतं आणि इंग्लिश लँग्वेज समजतं, आणि तुम्हाला फक्त मराठी समजतं आणि इंग्लिश समजतं. त्यावेळेस तुम्ही तिथल्या स्टुडंटशी, तिथल्या लोकांशी कम्युनिकेट कसं कराल? how you can survive there. It is very possible with that. You have to know some little information, little language about English. Okay, you have to know some of the words. You have to know some of the major ideas. Okay, small sentences you have to know about English language. Okay, so if you suffer some of the problems, basically accident or basically some of the physical fitness, okay, that moment you have to share some information about your friends. That moment is a very real bummer, very disappointing situations with you. This is very disappointing situations with you because you don't share, you never share such kind of your ideas with your friends. Okay. तर त्या ठिकाणी जाऊन जर तुम्ही बिमार पडलं किंवा एखादा लेक्चर तुम्ही प्रॉपरली समजला नाही तर काय होईल तुम्ही आपल्या मित्राला आपल्या मनातली गोष्ट आहे ती प्रॉपरली व्यवस्थित शेअर करू शकणार नाही वाय कारण तुम्हाला त्याची नेटिव्ह लँग्वेज येत नाही आणि जी लँग्वेज येतं ते पण प्रॉपरली येत नाही दॅट्स वाय you unable to communicate, you unable to share your language, your ideas with your friends. So this is a very real bummer for you. Because why this happened with you? You don't know, you can't, you unable to speak in English with that students. Okay. So to cope up with these problems, to cope up with kind of situations, it is very much important to learn something about English language and try to command our English language here. So next slide. I hope, my dear friends, you are able to see this picture. Scholarship applications. Hello? Anybody else?
Yes.
Tell me.
Yes, continue, sir.
Dear friends, look at these pictures carefully. The picture shows that this student fill in the form of scholarship. या ठिकाणी एक विद्यार्थिनी आहे ती विद्यार्थी स्कॉलरशिप फॉर्म भरत आहे आणि ती बघते आहे तर त्या स्कॉलरशिप फॉर्म मध्ये सगळी इन्फॉर्मेशन तिला कुठेतरी इंग्लिश मध्ये दिसत आहे मॅक्झिमम इन्फॉर्मेशन सी सेम देअर ओनली इंग्लिश लँग्वेज ओके and look at what there is something sentence is there. एक sentence है. काय sentence? Maharashtra Foreign Education Scholarship Registrations. It means that as a student nowadays, as a student, if you would like to get admissions in anywhere, BA, MA, MSc, BSc, whatever, MBA or Indian medical field, if you would like to study, जर तुम्हाला शिकत असेल, so you would like to fill the form of scholarship because if you can't fill the form of scholarship or fellowship, definitely you have to be pay full fees in that institute, near about 10,000 or 30,000 or 50,000 or 1 or 10 lakh till 10 lakh rupees you have to be pay. So you have to pay biggest amount to that particular institute, right? That's right. जर तुम्ही स्कॉलरशिप किंवा hello, audible, sir?
Sir, continue. Sir.
You are audible, but which slide you are referring to? Slide number?
Scholarship applications. That's right. The scholarship application slide.
This one?
That picture, sir, picture.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
one?
sir.
Picture. Scholarship application.
Sir, same slide visible to all. You still continue.
I hope this slide is visible for everybody else. Okay, so if you would like to study,
This is slide number 11. You are talking about scholarship application, Maharashtra Foreign Education Scholarship Registration.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, friends, if you would like to study, then definitely you have to be fill the form of scholarship applications. Look at here. This is my point, scholarship. So why I put here scholarship, this point? I'm giving you the brief idea about this, what I'm saying to here. If you would like to go to abroad for study purpose, if you would like to get admissions in a foreign countries institute, basically top universities, basically top 100 universities, then definitely should have to get scholarship. Okay, by through scholarship, you will able to get you will able to go to that countries and you will able to study there. You will able to see. You know, 1 minute. Hello, sir. Look at your friends.
Domne sir,
Sir.
you have 10 more minutes to conclude.
Okay. So I would like to say something here that by this slide, if you want to get admissions in the foreign countries, foreign institute, definitely you have to be get a scholarship. In this way, you'll get admission there, and you will exposure some of the culture of foreign countries. Okay, and you know well that there is the most of the 53 countries in the world. They taught language, they taught their educations in only primarily English language. This slide also indicates that earlier slide. Also, this slide also indicates to you that the importance of to access to more internet. I earlier told you that most of the internet language is only English. Okay, as a student, if you face exam, then you have to know some internet how we should search some information through internet way. तर आपण विद्यार्थी म्हणून जेव्हा आपण एखादी एक्झाम फेस करतो त्यावेळेस माहित पाहिजे की आपण इंटरनेटचा यूज करून कशा प्रकारे आपण ते इन्फॉर्मेशन आपण लर्न करू शकतो. Look at here that slide. A warm smile may be the universal language of kindness. Music may be the language of the spirit, but in the 21st century, English is the global language of business and travel. Okay. If we make smile on our face, if we make smile on our face, it shows some kindness. Okay. Music may be the language of spirit. Music may be the language of the spirit. संगीत ही आत्म्याची भाषा असू शकते त्याच प्रकारे. But in the 21st century, English is the global language of business and travel. In this 21st century, 21व्या शतकामध्ये इंग्लिश ही अशी भाषा आहे जी बिझनेस आणि ट्रॅव्हल साठी सगळ्यात महत्वाचं आहे. ओके, सो इफ यू वॉन्ट टू इम्प्रूव्ह युअर बिझनेस, इफ यू गो टू फॉरेन कंट्रीज, then you have to know English well. Also in earlier slides.
Which slide number? Slide number, please.
This sir.
Sir, slide number 13 is running.
There is access to a wide range of like that slide. Hello? Hello, sir.
Sir, still continue your lecture. Because the 13th slide is still running.
You can hear that. Why is important for your career? This important for you. Why English is important for the career? So give me only 3 or 4 minutes to me. To improve our career, English is very much important. So what was the reason behind this? Look at here that to more job opportunities, if you know English well, it will be possible for you to get more and more job. Another point is that a universal language for a job interview. I already told you, a confident presenter. If you go to the top institute, then you have to give some lecture. If you say something, if you face some interviews, then definitely you have to know some little ideas about English language. Okay. Why is English is important for and friends to learn some pop cultures, understand some movies, some magazines, some musics, like that. English is important. Okay. Means for a entertain purpose, English is important. Or if you would like to make a friends, basically foreigner friends, in this case also, English is an important language. Okay. Pop cultures, you know that pop cultures, American culture, okay, jazz, salsa, like dance there. That states, you know something there. Okay. If you want to improve, if you want to choice career in the field of dance, okay, then you should know the further steps in the field of a dance. How? You have to know some English language. जर तुम्हाला पॉप साल्सा जे काही डान्स जे डान्सचे प्रकार आहे त्यामध्ये इम्प्रूव्ह करायचं असेल तर तुम्हाला त्या स्टेप्सचे जे इन्फॉर्मेशन आहे जे की इंग्लिश मध्ये अवेलेबल आहे ते तुम्हाला लर्न करणं आवश्यक असतं. ओके. सो द मॅगझिन्स, सो द वर्ल्ड top magazines you will see in English language. Some of the music in English. Okay, this is my conclusion about my all slides. Apart from this, English has many other advantages too. त्यापेक्षा बरंच काही इंग्लिशचे advantages आहे. We have talked much and pointed out some of the importance of learning English for students and professional workers. I must say, English is the required language of today's era, especially for students and working individuals to move up the ladder faster. So, without delay, start improving your language skills right now. So, thank you very much.
Thank you, Swapnil sir.
So, this platform is now open for question answering.
Sir, we are still waiting for response from our student. First of all, I will thank you to Swapnil Dhumne sir for guiding us about title why English is important, and he explained about some statistic to English as a global language and its importance. He also explained about the students and his journey towards to the good speaker in English. Let's move towards to the next session, is question answer section, and one question from our student. So, sir, the first question is from a student. These things are responsible for English is popular language in India.
Okay, very good questions. Sir, repeat this question. Which reason behind this? English is
These
become a
things
popular-
are responsible. These things are
Yeah.
responsible for English is popular language in India.
In India, English has become a very popular language. The major thing is that in today's education system is totally based on English language. If you see top education institute that provides you more and more informations in the English language. जे काही आपण टॉप एज्युकेशन इन्स्टिट्यूट बघतो टॉप एज्युकेशन इन्स्टिट्यूट मध्ये जे एज्युकेशन सिस्टीम आहे ते एज्युकेशन सिस्टीम आहे ते एज्युकेशन सिस्टीम हे इंग्लिश लँग्वेजवर डिपेंड करतो सो इफ go there, if other students, if you would like to learn something there, if you would like to study there, so definitely you have to know some little bit information about the English language. It means that all the informations they provide to you in a way of English language. It may be possible that's the main reasons English is become a most important language here for study aspect. Nowadays, our education system, like examinations point of view, during this COVID pandemic, most of education system, basically examination point of view, if we see, so most of the exams conduct in a virtual way via link. Okay. Again, another question.
No, sir, it's only one question for our students. Let's move towards to the last page of session is vote of thanks. I request to Dr. Ramu Jare to propose the vote of thanks of the session.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. And yes, so this moment, I would say proudly that we have got a very inspiring and motivating personality, Dr. Swapnil, with us, who has tried his best to satisfy students in every aspect of language. And what is most important here with is noticeable here with is the emerging confidence of our speaker, who has tried to cover almost every hidden area of language and literature. So it has been quite interesting, and students have also listened it very carefully. And we hope to see you, sir, in future as well for having one more session. And thank you so much for having this much longer and bulky session with us. This is 11th session, in fact, today. So it has been really, lifelong learning session for students. So thank you once again, and it's back to Vaibhav, sir.
Thank you, Professor. Sir, any announcement?
Announcement at present. We can conclude the session now, and we shall have one more speaker with new topic on Monday probably. We'll announce about this topic and speaker very soon.
Thank you, sir.